Social proof is actually a concept that suggests that other people look to other people to determine appropriate behavior, especially when it comes to buying decisions. When people see testimonials, especially from people they can relate to or respect, it signals that that product is worthy of their time or their money. Also, identification and empathy. The customer can potentially identify with what the person is going through. So I always say in advisor marketing, we always want to show the positive outcome of working with you. What is the problem that the client is having? How do you solve that with your unique services? And what is the positive outcome? How has their life improved? And social testimonials have that social proof. They build that identification and empathy, and they let the person future cast themselves in a work relationship with you. So they can kind of see, hey, I have that problem. Oh, this advisor helped him with that problem. And look, now he's thriving and he's not stressed out anymore. And he doesn't have this tax problem. I want that. And so it allows them to see that. And the reason that this works is because it's another person saying it. It's not just you, right? And that's something we're going to get into further down in the deck as well about where to place testimonials. But all of these things are backed by psychology and the way that we as consumers evaluate FAs and make decisions about partnering with them.